see what is progression. First of all, we'll see the sequence. What is sequence? So sequence is a set of numbers. Sequence is nothing but a set of numbers which is based on some logical rule. Means whenever we are writing any numbers, set of numbers, so there must be a rule on that. So for example, I am taking 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what is the logical rule in this set of numbers? That they all are even numbers. Okay. So this is what sequence. Now if I take the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these numbers also we will call as sequence. What is the logical rule in this? That they all are, that they all are odd numbers. If I take the number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, this is also a sequence. Can you tell me the logical rule in this? Yeah. This is what? 1 is square. This is 2 square.
Yeah.
This is 3 square.
Okay, 4
These
square.
all numbers. Yeah. So these all numbers are the squares of natural numbers. So this is the logical rule in this. So if first number is 1, and second number is 2 square, third is square, 3 square. So what is the nth number? Nth number will be n square.
N square.
Yeah. Okay. Next, if I take the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, like this. So these all are prime numbers. So this is the logical rule in this. Now, but as in the before example, we have shown this n square. Like we know, we can write each term by using the help of n square. For example, if I take n equals to 1, I will get 1. If I put n equals to 2, I will get the second number, that is 4. If I put n equals to 4, I will get the fourth number, that is 4 square means 16. Okay. But in the case of prime numbers, we cannot find like this nth number. Can you tell me any nth number? For example, if I put n equals to 1 in that, we will get 2. If we put n equals to 2 in that, we will get 3. So there is no nth number in the prime number case. We cannot find any nth number such that if we putting the values in that, we will be getting first, second, third, fourth. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? That these all numbers have progression as well. I will tell you the definition of progression, but this is not progression.
Okay, this is sequence.
These all are sequence.
Okay.
These all are sequence, but the difference between sequence and progression is that in the progression we can find the nth number. Here, what is the nth number in case of even number? 2n.
2n.
Yeah. If you put n equals to 1, we will get the first number.
Yeah.
If you put n equals to 2, we will get the second number. Okay. Yeah. So in the case of odd number, what is the nth number? 2n minus 1. If I'm asking you what is the third number in this 2n minus 1, so we will put n equals to 3 in that case, and we will get a third number. If you put n equals to 3, we will get 2 into 3, that is 6 minus 1, 5. So we will get a third number.
Okay.
So the main difference, so the main difference between sequence and progression is, in the progression, we can write the nth number. This is called nth number. And by the help of nth number, we can find all the numbers of the sequence. Okay, progression is, got it? This thing?
So ma'am, so basically progression is nothing but it's a variable, so we can put any number.
Yeah, the numbers for which the set of numbers for which we can write any general formula. We can write in general formula. General formula means that is, by that general formula we can find all the numbers. Now in the progression, two main type of progressions we have, that is AP and GP. Full form of AP is arithmetic progression, and the full form of GP is geometric progression. Inside the progression, actually we have 4 types, but in your CBSE, in your class, 2 will be there. These 2 will come in 11th class, that is HP and AGP. HP means harmonic progression, and AGP means arithmetico-geometrical progression. But in your class, AP and GP is only there, so we will study only these 2 topics. So First, let's see what is arithmetic progression. So, in arithmetic progression, we have the set of numbers in which the succeeding term is more than the preceding term. I will make you understand by using the example.
I'm supposed to write this down.
Like, if you want to write, you can write, no problem.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you want to write it?
Ma'am, right now, I'm not learning this in school. So when school starts, I'll start writing this down.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
right now,
So,
yesterday, ma'am just started introduction to linear polynomials actually.
okay. Okay. So, I was not aware of that. That's why I took this topic. No
Okay,
problem. Like, after this, just for demo, I took this.
okay, ma'am, it's fine. I don't mind.
Okay. So, set of numbers in which the succeeding term is more than preceding term with some difference, with some common difference. By the help of example, I will make you understand what is the meaning. So, for example, we have 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. So, if you see in this example, there is a common difference between all the numbers. What is the difference between 5 and 2? 3.
Three,
5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 5,
three.
3. Again 11 minus 8, 3. And 14 minus 11, 3. So, in all these numbers, we have the common difference that is 3. So, this type of sequence we will call as arithmetic progression. This progression we call as arithmetic progression. Sorry. So this type of progression we call as arithmetic progression. It means there is a common difference. So in general, we can write as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, like this. Because you can see in this example, A is the first term. We call A as first term and D as a difference.
Three.
So in this first term is 2, A is 2 and the difference is 3. In this example, you can see first term is 2 and the difference is 3. Now, if I'm asking you, what is the nth term? If you see, we are writing first term with A, second term with A plus B, third term with A plus 2D, fourth term with A plus 3D. So can you tell me the nth term by observing the sequence?
The nth term.
Yeah. You can see
Uh,
A is common in every term.
A is common. A
So A
plus
will write, hmm, very good. Try to like observe.
A plus
Uh,
4D.
we are writing nth term, like in general. So for 4, you can see it is 3. For 3, it is 2, means minus 1. So we will get n minus 1d.
Okay.
You got this thing? So nth term is a plus n minus 1d. Why? Because the second term, we are writing only 1d. For third term, we are writing 2d.
2D.
For fourth term, 3d. So nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. And how we denote the nth term? By an, or in some books, you will see it as tn. So either Tn or An. We can write A plus N minus 1 into D. Now, what is the use of this nth term? You can find any number of terms if you know the value of A and if you know the value of D. For example, in this, we have A equals to 2 and D equals to 3. If I'm asking you what is the fifth term, so what we will do? Just put N equals to 5 for fifth term. So put N equals to 5 in this. We will get A5 equals to, we know the value of A, that is 2. We know the value of n, 5, it is 5 minus 1. We know the difference, that is 3. So see, 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4
4
into
into
3,
3.
that is 2 plus 12,
2.
we will get 14.
14.
You can see, fifth term is 14.
Okay.
Got it?
Understood.
So by the using of general term, this is called general term or nth term. General term or nth term. We can find any value of the sequence. So if I ask you, can you find the 10th term of this sequence? Once try by using this example. We have
Just
A
one minute.
and D.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, um, so ma'am, it's going to be 2 plus 10 minus 1
Yes.
into 3.
Yes. Yes. Tell me the final answer.
Yes, ma'am. 33.
What you got?
33.
33. Okay, let me check. So we are finding 10th term, means we are finding a10. So n equals to 10. We have a value 2 and d value 3. So we have a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. A is 2, 10 minus 1, d is 3. So 2 plus 9 into 3, 27 plus 2, that is
Oh,
29.
oh,
Maybe you did some
yeah,
calculation
yeah.
mistake. No problem. So this is answer is 29. Got it now? Any doubt
Okay.
is there?
No, I understood the
No.
formula. Small calculation
Okay.
error.
No problem. Now, in some question, they will give you only the nth term and they will ask you the terms. For example, question is find the first five terms of the sequence. Question will come like this in your exam, in which the nth term is given by Tn equals to 3n minus 4. They have given this nth term Tn equals to 3n minus 4 and they are asking the first five terms. So how we can proceed with this solution? So how we can do? We know the nth term. They're asking first five terms. So for first term, we will put n equals to 1. So first term, we will get 3 into 1 minus 4, that is minus 1. For the second term, we will put n equals to 2. So T2 will be
22.
3 2 minus 4, that is 2.
2.
For n equals to 3, this is the third term. 3 into 3 minus 4, that is 5. Similarly, we will find fourth and fifth term. So T4, 3 into 4 minus
4
4,
minus 4.
and T5. So 12 minus 4, 8,
8.
15 minus 4, 11. Okay, so like this we can find all the five terms. So can I give one question, similar question like this?
Okay.
You can try. So if nth term is given to you, n square minus 2n plus 3, and they are asking find first three terms. Try this question once. Nth term is given to you, they are asking first three terms.
Ma'am, I don't get the question correct.
What? Any
I
doubt?
don't, yeah, I don't understand the question.
Like in this now in this question, like in the before question, I have given you Tn, and we are finding by putting n equals to 1, n equals to 2. This is what first term. This is second term.
Down.
This is third term, fourth term, and fifth term. Similarly, here also Tn is given to us. No problem, I will do. So because you are studying this topic first time now, so that's why.
Yes, ma'am.
So first term, how we can find? By putting n equals to 1. So
Oh,
put n
okay.
equals to 1 here. So 1 minus 2 into 1 plus
1
3.
plus.
That is 2.
Oh,
Can you find the third term for this?
oh, okay, ma'am. Understood. So we have to keep substituting it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is it 3?
Okay, let me check. So we will put n equals to 3 for third term. So T3 will be 3 square minus 2 into 3 plus 3. So 9 minus 6 plus 3. 3 square is 9. 2 into 3, 6 plus 3. So how much 6 we are getting? You got this? How we are getting 6? Any doubt? You can ask freely. No problem.
No,
Do not hesitate to ask.
I actually don't understand this topic correctly. I mean, I understand the
Oh,
definition part, but from here I'm a
also
bit
okay, tell me
confused.
now. I will again explain. No problem. See, what we did. The main topic starts from arithmetic progression. Okay. In this arithmetic progression, we will be having the first term, and then each term is having some difference. Like we see Between 2 and 5, we have common difference 3. Between 5 and 8, we have common difference 3. So each are having same common difference. So this is what arithmetic progression. So the progression in which each term is having same difference, we will call that as arithmetic progression. Any doubt in this?
No.
Okay. Now, what we are doing, we are finding the nth terms. We are doing the question of nth terms. What is the meaning of nth term? Like this is the general formula. So by using the general formula, we can find all the terms. How we are finding the terms? If you are having general formula, so if you put n equals to 1 in this formula, we will get the first term. So what we are doing, for the first term, we are putting n equal to 1 in the general formula. For the second term, what we will put? N equals to 2. Similarly, if I ask what is the 10th term, so for 10th term, we will put n equals to 10 in the general formula. So if I take one more example, what is the 15th term in Tn equals to 5n minus 3? So this Tn equals to 5n minus 3 is given and they are asking the 15th term. So what we will do? We will put n equals to 15 in the Tn. So put n equals to 15. So T15 equals to 5 into 15 minus 3. So we will calculate it 15 into 5. 75 minus 3, we will get 72. Okay. Now, if I ask, if for example, they are asking, what is the 10th term in the same Tn? In Tn equals to 5n minus 3.
Okay,
So what we
so
will do?
n is equals to 10, then t by t10 is equals to 5 into 10 minus 3
Yeah, very good.
is equals to
See,
50 minus 3,
that
47.
is, yeah. So that is the thing. Only we are doing this thing. They will give you Tn in the question and they will ask you the term. Which, like, we will ask you that if they ask 10th term, we will put n equals to 10. If they
Okay,
ask,
so
they can
when
also,
ma'am,
yeah,
when they give Tn is equal to something, and then when they ask you 10 term or something, you have to substitute by n is equals to 10 and the same method.
yes, yes, yes. So this is only the thing. Got it?
Okay.
Just now, in this class, we studied these two topics mainly. First, we saw what is arithmetic progression. It means all the numbers have the same difference,
Mm.
3, 3, 3, or 2, 2, 2, like this. Then we saw the general term. How from the general term we can find all the terms, first term, second term, third term. We saw through the examples. Okay. So I think this is enough for today's demo class.